Applications, also known as word problems that involve quadratic equations, are very useful in finding either the maximum or minimum. For example, if you want to maximize your profit or minimize your cost, or find the maximum height that an object may obtain, you could definitely use a quadratic equation. In this example here, we're considering the revenue of a ski resort that sells X daily lift passes, given by the function R of X, which is the revenue, equals negative 0.02x squared plus 24x. How many passes must be sold in order for the revenue to be $4,000 per day? So to start off, we're simply replacing the revenue with what we would like our revenue to be, which is $4,000 per day. Now, we're told that X represents the number of daily lift passes. So we need to solve for R of X equals 4,000. Getting that 4,000 over to the other side by subtracting 4,000. And for this, I certainly wouldn't want to try to factor this, but I'm going to use the quadratic formula to solve. So I'm going to identify the A, B, and C. Plug all of these values into the quadratic formula. And simplify very carefully. Always watch your order of operations and negative signs. We get negative 24 plus or minus the square root of 256 divided by negative 0.04. We can take the square root of 256, which is 16. And we can further simplify. Negative 24 minus 16 divided by negative 0.04, and negative 24 plus 16 divided by negative 0.04. First we simplify and we get X equals 1,000, and then we simplify and we get X equals 200. This means that to earn a revenue of $4,000, we need to sell either 1,000 or 200 passes. Keeping in mind that a parabola is that U shape, so we could certainly hit the same Y value 2 different times. Plug both values back into the original problem just to make sure it makes sense. When we plug in 1,000, we make a revenue of 4,000. And when we plug in 200, we also make a revenue of 4,000. So the ski resort must sell either 200 or 1,000 daily lift tickets to earn a revenue of $4,000 in a day. The area of a rectangle is 84 square inches. Determine the length and the width if the length is 2 inches less than twice the width. If we take a rectangular area, we know that area is equal to length times width. And we're told here that the length is going to be 2 inches less than twice the width. So if the area is 84, we're going to translate this into the area formula. The length is 2w minus 2 times the width. Now we distribute the w, subtract the 84 on both sides, divide out the common factor of 2, the w squared minus w minus 42 factors. Now we use our zero product rule. Using the zero product rule gives us that w equals 7 or w equals negative 6. Since we're talking about a distance or a dimension, you cannot have a negative distance. So we kick out the negative 6, leaving our width to be 7. So if the width is 7, remember that the length is twice the width minus 2. So the length is 12. The dimensions of our rectangle are 7 by 12, or 84 gives us the area, which is a true statement. It checks out.